We spent a lot of 2022 talking to you about cybersecurity, but what we didn't delve into very deeply just yet is the big brother of cybersecurity, which is cybersecurity compliance. Not all industries fall under this umbrella, but many do. And in our estimation, at least, compliance in this realm is a positive step forward. If you'd like to learn more, please stick around. When we talk about cybersecurity, a lot of our recommendations are just that, recommendations. But when we look at the realms of compliance, a lot of these recommendations are actually requirements. And if you work in the areas of healthcare, credit card processing, or financial services, you definitely have the umbrella of compliance over you that needs to be followed. Today, we're going to talk about cybersecurity compliance and what you need to do to ensure that you are indeed compliant. The first step of cybersecurity compliance is knowing and implementing all of your required protocols. Depending on where you live, so that's the state or the country, and in which industry you work, the protocols can vary greatly. This is something that a compliance specialist or IT specialist can assist you with narrowing down. The second step is to review your cybersecurity and compliance programs regularly. You want to start a baseline so that you know where you are at. This can be done doing a comprehensive assessment, and then you want to schedule follow-up assessments on a regular basis. This is not something that you do once, check off the box, and then forget. This is an ongoing process. The third step after doing your assessments is to understand what your gaps are and to prioritize your gaps. There's clearly going to be some things that are more important than others and some that will take longer than others to correct. So put a prioritization in place and execute on it. The fourth step is to prioritize your timelines and keep with those timelines. There's nothing worse than identifying gaps, but then not resolving those in a timely fashion and getting caught with your pants down when those gaps get leveraged by cybersecurity criminals. The fifth step is to systematize and organize your cybersecurity and compliance. What this means is make sure you have everything documented and streamlined in one central place. That way, as you go through ongoing audits, you can easily look at where you were and where you're going. This also allows auditors easy access to what you have done up to this point, and it makes the process much easier for you and your team. This is something that an MSP can assist you in doing. The last and final step is to track, update, and refine all this information constantly. This is not something that is set in time at one particular moment. This is an ongoing process that needs to happen. Needs change, cybersecurity threats continue to evolve, and you need to make sure that your process evolves with you. We here at BACS are specialists in compliance and cybersecurity, especially when it comes to the realms of financial services, healthcare, and biotechnology. If you'd like to learn more about how we can help you and your organization, please reach out to us at the contact information below. And if you liked what you heard today, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.